Hello everyone and welcome on Be Successful, your favorite development channel. The place you always leave smarter than you came. If you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Many of you have asked me to make a video explaining step by step how to buy QoWatt. If you don't know this project, you can find all the details on our channel in a video for the QoWatt project. I want to mention that this video is not sponsored by QoWatt. I made the video just to inform you about the project. Also, I do not advise you to buy or not to buy. I am not a financial advisor. You have to do your own research. Let's begin. To buy QoWatt on Phase 5 of pre-sale, which will be on February 3rd at 1800 hours UCT, you have to go to their site, which you can find in our description, search or go to presale button. You will need to log in with your EGOLD wallet or Mayor. Select your pack size. Just one pack per presale phase allowed. Accept smart contract and sign. You are swapping EGLD by QoWatt. Your QoWatt tokens are delivered to your wallet. You can see the tokens login in wallet.elrond.com. You can log in with Mayor there as well. Very important. All new investors that joined after January 16th must register in the whitelist in order to be eligible to participate in Phase 5. Note this aspect. Whitelist investors from Phase 4 don't need to register again for Phase 5. An intermediary whitelist will be published before the presale time to be checked by the community and to make final adjustments. Only one wallet per investor. To make this process even clearer, I leave a video taken from their Telegram channel with purchase process. Watch the video carefully and follow the simple steps that I will present to you. The first step is to open dApp.QoWatt.network. Scroll down the page and choose the package you want to purchase by clicking the Buy button to the right of each package. After pressing the Buy button, you will open several connection possibilities, similar to the options present on Mayor Exchange. That is, connecting with Mayor Wallet, Ledger or other similar methods. After logging in, you will see in the balance of your account, the EGOLD and the QoWatt you have. Only now you can buy the package you want, after which you will have to confirm the purchase transaction from Mayor Wallet or Ledger. Once you have completed this step, you have purchased the token, and you are part of this wonderful project. Thank you for staying with us until the end. Great informational materials are about to be launched on this channel, so don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I promise you will not regret. We have created a team that will synthesize information and create educational videos for everyone interested. Thanks to the channel members. Find how you can become a member and what are the advantages by accessing the link in the description, where you can find other useful links like our free Telegram, where we can all meet and talk about different topics.